Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 3. We are going to start Unit 2. Its title is The Farmer and His Sons. Today's lecture 1, under the title of grammar, we learn about verb, that is action word, and we'll cover page number 17 and 18 of your book. Before this, in your previous class, English for Grade 2, I have taught you action words. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. We will learn further and we'll cover the SLO to use action verbs in speech and writing. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 255, He, Allah, knows what is presently before them and what will be after them. And they encompass not a thing of His knowledge except for what He wills. Yes, my dear children, in this beautiful verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning whatever we have done previously and what we will be doing in coming time. Allah knows everything. Subhanallah, this is how great Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is. That's why we say Allah is Alim. Allah knows everything. So here the point we mentioned is presently and before and after. These things are telling us about the time. And action word refers to this time. Today we learn and then I'll explain it to you. So let's start with the question. If I ask you, what is he doing? So I want to know about a person, what that person is doing. Now the word which will tell about the action of the word is action word, which we have learned before, and now we'll know this action word is actually verb. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. So this word reading is telling about the action of that person. This is verb. What we learnt before, it's action word which tells about the action of a person, and grammatically we say it's verb, right? Likewise, if I say, what do we do in the masjid? What do we do? So the word which will tell us what do we do in the masjid is the action word, which is verb. We offer namaz, salah, in masjid. So this word, we offer namaz, this word offer is telling us what do we do in masjid. This is action word. Previously we know, and now let's move a step ahead and we should know it's verb. All right. So how can we define a verb? The action is something that someone is doing. For example, sleeping, sitting, and napping. So, even though there is no movement, there is still an action, right? So, action doesn't mean like moving. If you are thinking, you're just thinking. You are not moving. Apparently, there is no action, but still it's an action. If you are feeling, you're feeling something, and it is not prevalent from your appearance, even then it's an action. This is what we have learned. And this action is known as verb. This is our today's learning. This action is verb, which tells about a person what he or she or they are doing. You got it? Okay. And one thing more, it refers to time as well. Maybe that action has already been done, or they are doing, or they will be doing. This, as I told you, we'll learn further when we will start tenses. But so far, you should know action words are verb, and action words tell what a person is doing, not apparently only in or as well. The feeling, sleeping. Like here I have given you mention of sleeping. When a person is sleeping, apparently he is doing nothing. But to sleep is an action. Okay? Likewise, sitting. Apparently, the person is sitting, not doing anything. But to sit is also an action. It's a verb. You got the point? Okay, let's learn further about it. Look at this picture. There are different, you can see different persons here, different children. At a time, we can do more than one things. This is what I want you to know, the way I am talking and I'm thinking as well what I want to say. Likewise, you are listening and you are thinking, you are looking. So these all things, like we at a time, we can be doing more than one actions. Look at this picture. What these girls are doing? They are walking, they are smiling, they are looking at us. This girl is waving her hand. So walk is verb. Wave is verb. Smile is verb. These children are running. Run is verb. They are laughing. Laugh is verb. He is riding a bicycle. Ride is verb. He is smiling. Smile is verb. He is looking. Looking is verb. He might be saying something from his posture we can find. So all these words which tell what a person is doing are verb. Right? Are you clear with the concept? So far I told you three things. One, action words are verb. Two, these verbs may refer to time. And three, it's not necessary that an action is prevalent. You see something going on, it may be an implied or silent action. All right, are you clear so far? Okay, let's move further and see what your book says about it. All of you open your book on page number 17. It's mentioned here under the title of grammar, verb. Verb is a word that shows an action. Right? Verb, a word that shows action. It is called an action word or doing word. So if I say doing word, it refers to verb. If I say action word, it refers to verb. These all are the names of verb. So how do we define verb? Verb is a word that shows an action. Right? Now, its examples are walk. These people, this family, they are walking. So, walk is verb which is describing their action. What are they doing? And as I told you, there are many things they are talking to each other. They are smiling to each other. They are looking. She is looking at his face, he is looking at ground. So there are many things, but here the prevalent verb is walk. They are walking, right? Next is read. Read. She is reading Quran, mashallah. So read is verb. Push. Push means to press with pressure, like this boy is pushing the door to open it. So push. And we don't push each other. This is a bad thing. So push should always be positive. Push to open the door. Okay. Sit. Sit. This boy. Now if I say he is sitting, you know what he is doing. He is just sitting in a chair. Okay. Next is run. This boy is running. Run is, again, now you know all these are example of verb. Run is verb. Sleep. Sleep is verb. Now apparently if I ask you what is he doing? He's doing nothing. But sleep is telling his stat. What he's doing? He's sleeping. All right. Eat. Eat is verb. And stand. This person is standing still, though he is smiling as well. So stand is verb. And dig. What does dig mean? To make a hole in ground, dig, and usually to plant a tree, we make a hole, we dig the soil to plant a tree. So this girl is doing two things at a time. She dig this pit to plant a tree, right? Are you clear? These are the examples I explained with many more. Now at this point, teachers kindly, you may discuss with different scenario with the students to make them connect with the action words are verb. And here I want to make an announcement for my fellow teachers along with this video lecture, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, print it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. So here you may pause the video and you may rephrase all the concepts taught so far so that we can practice further. Pause the video and take the feedback of the students. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Very good. Now, I'm quite confident you are clear with the concept of verb. So, it's time to practice it. Now, on page number 18 of your book, these pictures are given. You have to look at the picture, what this boy is doing, okay? And what do you find him doing? You have to write here, over here. Likewise, for this picture, I want you to look carefully and write the action word, the verb in the space given here. Now pause the video and do this activity. All right, are you done with it? Good job. I can see you find it really easy. Good job. It's time for your homework. You have to write 5 sentences about your preparation for school. Like what do you do to come to school? You get up early in the morning, you brush your teeth, you take a bath, you offer your namaz, whatever you do, just write 5 sentences and you will use verbs in all these sentences. And I'm giving you an extended worksheet again, my dear fellow teachers. Along with this video lecture, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint links are given. You may click it, download it, print it, and kindly give a printed worksheet to my children for practice. And my dear children, what you are supposed to do, here is a set of words. You will select verb in it, okay? Identify the verb from each set of words and write it in the given space. You will find it and you will write over here in the space. I hope you will enjoy this. And what we learned today, we learned that action words or doing words are verbs. Then we practiced saying and writing verbs. In this way, we achieved our today's SLO to use action verbs in speech and in writing. Are we done with it? Yes, good job. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.